Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to repost on Likee. First of all, launch open Likee application. You can see over here Likee application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is simply find the video or post that you would like to repost in this interface. You'll be able to find various icons for liking, commenting, saving, etc. Tap on the share icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to see the platforms that you can share these videos on. Over here at bottom, you'll be able to find the options like repost, not interested, content issues, etc. Tap on this option, repost, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the video has been reposted. So like this, you'll be able to repost the video. So that is how you repost on Likee. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.